In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for creating amazing presentation slides. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or any presentation that needs to make an impression, Chatgpt can be a game changer in simplifying the process. So let's jump right in and explore how you can use this AI tool to craft exceptional presentation slides from scratch. To get started, you'll first need to open Chatgpt. If you haven't used it before, simply navigate to the Chatgpt website and get set up on the app. Once you're ready, create a new chat, or if you have been working on something related, feel free to open an existing conversation. This allows you the flexibility to continue where you left off or start afresh with new ideas. Now, one of the keys to getting the most out of Chatgpt for your presentation is to start with a clear and concise prompt. Think about what the focus of your presentation will be and what topics you need to cover. Having this clarity will help guide Chatgpt to generate content that is relevant and on point for your needs. For example, you could prompt with something like, "I need to create a presentation on sustainable energy solutions for corporate businesses." Once you've established the direction, it's a good idea to structure your presentation. Consider how you want to organize the flow of information. Typically, this might include an introduction, the main body with key points you want to discuss, and a conclusion. Chatgpt can assist you in outlining these sections by providing insights, data, or even helping you define the bullet points for each slide. After structuring your presentation, a neat trick is to ask Chatgpt to add speaker notes. These are invaluable as they serve as a guide for you when you're presenting, offering cues on what to elaborate or highlight during your speech. Simply request speaker notes for each slide and you'll find an extra layer of preparedness when you're up there presenting. With your presentation content ready to go, it's time to think about where you want to build your slides. You can copy the text and paste it into programs like PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva, each offering different features for design and layout to enhance your presentation visually. If you're short on time or want to streamline the process even further, Chatgpt also allows you to request a PDF or PowerPoint file directly. This can be particularly useful as it gives you a ready-made file that you can tweak as needed without having to input the information manually. And there you have it. Using Chatgpt for your presentations not only saves time, but also ensures you have well-structured content with the potential for great speaker notes. Try it out for your next presentation and experience the ease of AI-assisted preparation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.